Welcome to Kwanti Portfolio Analytics, a smart analytics solution for data-driven advisors. Kwanti can assist you with portfolio analysis, model management, as well as client acquisition and retention. In the next few minutes, I will show you an overview of the main features of Kwanti. We will begin by entering a sample prospect portfolio that an advisor could then analyze and compare with a model or proposed portfolio. While you can also bring in portfolios through one of our integration partners or by uploading a CSV file, it is easy to enter one manually, as you can see here. Simply click Add and enter as many US listed equities, mutual funds, or ETFs as you wish. We also have SMA data feeds available for advisors who wish to utilize these. Before we get into looking at the portfolio as a whole, you can view analytics on an individual position in the asset profile. We license this data from multiple data providers to show you the full asset allocation, performance, and risk metrics, as well as fund summaries for ETFs and mutual funds. As we go back to the portfolio, everything in Kwanti can be viewed with a comparison to another portfolio. This can be beneficial if you are comparing a prospect's portfolio to some type of benchmark or proposed portfolio. On the Performance tab, you have a number of different charts you can look through. You can view performance broken out by position for whatever time frame you wish to look at as well. Lastly, you can see additional statistics of your portfolio, such as standard deviation, alpha, beta, and much more on the Stats tab. As we move to the Allocation tab, I will show you how you can view multiple levels of detail, starting with the summary view of the asset classes. Here you can view basic stocks, bonds, and cash allocations. To take it a step further, you can view this broken out into further detail. For any ETF or mutual fund, we look at the underlying holdings of these funds to show you the true allocation of your portfolio. You can view this by drilling down into any asset class to view the exact contributions of each asset in your portfolio. This same type of analysis can be done across stock section, style, region, and bond style. The last sub-tab on this page is the Holdings tab, which will show you the concentration of any individual assets in your portfolio by analyzing any overlap between various funds. We can then move to the Expenses tab. Here you can view the net expense ratio of the portfolio, as well as it broken out into detail by position. This helps advisors easily identify areas of potential portfolio drag. The same type of analysis can be done for portfolio income, showing you net yield of a portfolio, as well as drilled down detail showing you information by position. With the Correlations tab, you can view both internal correlations between various assets within the portfolio, as well as the portfolio's correlations as a whole to various indexes. Lastly, you have the Risk tab, which is a basic stress test feature to show you how your portfolio, as it is currently constructed, would perform in various market environments. Not only do we provide you with some built-in scenarios, but we also give advisors the ability to define and customize their own scenario timeframes. All of the information that we just went over can then be put into a PDF for a proposal or report. Our PDFs are completely customizable and white-labeled to the advisor. In addition to customizing your cover page with your logo and business information, you can select what pages you wish to show, reorder them, and even customize the information displayed on specific pages. For example, take a look at the Performance page here. With a simple point and click, you can bring up the editable sections on the page. Before we finish up here, there are two more things I want to show you. At the beginning, I mentioned how you can bring in portfolios through our integration partners. At the time of this recording, we have integrations available with the following tools and custodians. We'll continue adding additional integrations over time. The last thing I want to touch on is model management within Kwanti. To start, we have our Kwanti Model Marketplace with multiple providers offering Kwanti advisors direct feeds to their model portfolios. These can be used as benchmarks, starting points, or whatever the advisor wishes to use them for. With models you create in Kwanti, advisors have the ability to import the actual history of their models or use any of our rebalancing simulations. In addition, we provide the ability to create blended models where you can assign a weight to each individual component model. With Kwanti, you get access to analytics similar to platforms costing thousands of dollars more, and it is so easy to use. I would encourage you to sign up for our free 30-day trial on our website and reach out with any questions you have along the way. Thank you for your attention and for giving Kwanti a try.